Good morning, Vivian. My name is Anjali and I am the assistant professor under the Fashion and Interior Department. Today I am going to present about factor affecting clothing, which is the part of basic of design. Introduction. The basic requirements of human being are food, clothing and haven. After food, person look for second important need, example clothing. People expect much more things from clothing than so satisfy our basic need. In some society, the clothing is used for expressing wealth, status, age, occasion and gender etc. Factor for textile or clothing selection. Uh, first factor is social factor. In social factor we consider following things, and those are the place where person live, culture background or person, gender, occupation, occasion, social states. The place where person live. Depending upon the area and place where a person lives, the pattern, shape, style of clothing change. In urban area, because of very close culture interaction between the various sections of people, the pattern and style of clothing is composite in nature, but in other hand, in rural area, the human clothing is influenced by regional factor. Cultural background of person. The second factor which influenced on selection of clothing is cultural background of person and bringing of a person. Gender. The modern society not believe in gender and strongly oppose this, but we all are still comfortable in maintaining different in male and female. Human select clothing depends upon the occupation. Because of the reason only we find the different in a policeman and a common man, and also we find the difference in army man and common man. Occasion. Generally human select clothing depends upon this occasion, namely formal wear and casual wear. In office people wear formal dress, in leisure strips we wear casual wear. Social status. The human being always interested to show his social status through clothing. Hence, in past king always wearing a royal clothing. Economic factor. In economic factor, the important components are economic condition and society, economic status of individual and availability of technology and raw material. If there is change in economic condition of society, then it reflects on clothing. We know that the pattern of poor and rich pupils are different. Some people select clothing depend on the affordability, and same people select clothing to show his economic status. Environmental factor. In environmental factor, condition include like too cold, too hot, raining, chilling wind etc. We select clothes to take protection from extreme environment, usually place, space or underwater. The selection of clothing change as the environment conditions is changed. In this factor, one person will not use same clothing in different climate condition. Depends upon climatic temperature. The garments are broadly divided into two categories: winter wear clothing and summer wear clothing. Psychological factor. This factor includes age, condition of age of person, body structure, psychological response of body activity level etc. The clothing patterns are changed with age of the person due to the psychological change with time. Thank you.